In this video, is the Bitcoin price forming a bullish divergence here in the daily time frame? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis, ang minomonitor natin was this double top pattern forming here in the daily time frame. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, nag-open ako ng short position dito kasi traditionally this double top is a bearish pattern to the downside, which we saw a breakdown nga dito. However, if you're going to look at the volume, medyo nakukulangan nga tayo, diba? As mentioned in the previous video. So in this case, sabi ko sa inyo, mag-set kayo ng trail stop para kayo paano ma-secure nyo yung inyong profits. And right now, na-hit yung trail stop ko. So right now, naka-earn ako ng profits doon and na-secure na yung profits ko. And right now, we are waiting for the next trade nga, diba? So ano ba ngayon ang nangyayari dito with the Bitcoin price action? So if we're going to zoom in dito kay Bitcoin, ang nangyayari ngayon dito, Bitcoin is currently still declining, but as you can see, we are now starting to form this declining price while RSI is starting to increase. So those are traditional signs of a bullish divergence or a bullish trend reversal. So in this case, ano na ba ngayon mangyayari dito kay Bitcoin? So traditionally kasi ang bullish divergence, it signifies a bullish retracement dito kay Bitcoin, but it sometimes determine a bullish trend reversal lang na dire-diretso, but at the same time it can be somewhat of a continuation na nitong consolidation dito. So ano bang i-expect natin dito kay Bitcoin? So as you can see, may bullish divergence and you can find a resistance dito around the $63,296. So what I'm expecting right now is for Bitcoin to go back to around the $62 to $63,000 level. So right now, nag-open ako ng very short-term long position na ang target natin is around the 62 or 63,000 US dollars. And as you can see, it's actually right now forming a resistance around this area. So let's say magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito, then pwede tayong bumalik around the 62,700 around that area. And right now, if you're going to open the 4-hour time frame, you can see na meron din tayong resistance around this 59,500 US dollars. So right now, it's actually a make or break move if we are going to go back to the 62 or 63,000 US dollar level. So yun nga, is this the next question that we are asking is this going to go to the upside na ba? Well, the main thing na kailangan natin i-take note dito is kailangan niya ma-break yung $63,200 level in order for us to confirm a bullish movement na nga. Right now, hanggat di natin siya nakikita, then I don't think this is a bearish or I don't think this is a bullish trend reversal. Rather, I think this is just a bullish retracement that will go back to this area. If magkaroon tayo ng rejection dito, then this can actually continue this movement to the downside. Kasi what's very crucial dito is magkaroon man lang tayo ng breakout and magkaroon ng higher high. Higher high meaning mas mataas na yung Bitcoin movement natin, and then higher low meaning mas higher na siya dito sa latest low natin at continue yung movement siya paakyat. So hanggat wala tayong nakikita ng ganun, then this is not a bullish trend reversal. Rather, this is a bullish retracement lang for the short term. Now, another thing to take note din dito is if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, you can actually find this potential movement then wherein you're now starting to form a support area, and let's say this becomes a resistance area dito, then this could be a potential bear flag. A bear flag is wherein we are coming from a downtrend then consolidation dito, then usually this bear flag continues this downtrend. So right now, if this is the movement nga ni Bitcoin, then mag-place tayo ng stop loss around the 57,000, siguro around the 57,800, around that area, para if ever na bumagsak siya dito, then this can confirm na meron nga tayong bear flag dito. And the next thing na kailangan i-confirm dyan is dapat mag-bounce siya dito sa support area, which is around the 56,700. Para if let's say this indeed form a bear flag, then this could be a very good shorting opportunity to make money dito with the crypto market. So right now, there are a lot of opportunities right now. It's just a matter of saan tayo magkakaroon ng breakout. If ma-break natin to, then of course, naka-long position tayo up until the 62,000 US dollars. Then if ma-break natin to, then of course, we are going to extend our long position. But if let's say hindi niya ma-break to, then of course, we are going to hit our stop loss, then secure our capital, then wait for this bear flag to to form within the next few days. So right now, those are the things na nakikita natin dito. And take note guys, you can actually trade this guys kay Bybit. So yung wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to learn how to do this analysis na pinapakita ko sa inyo, we also have a tutorial playlist na you can find in the description down below. So all of our resources are available guys in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.